In this edition of Higher Ed Highlights, Chancellor Duffey continued his time on the road over the past 2 weeks, visiting 3 more campuses across the state, beginning with Bowling Green State University. BGSU President Rodney Rogers welcomed the Chancellor to campus and led a meeting with members of his Executive Council. The meeting was followed by a tour of the campus and a conversation with staff from BG's College of Education about the science of reading. The Chancellor ended the day by talking with students, many from Bowling Green's Thompson Scholarship programs, about their college experience and future plans. Sinclair Community College was the next stop on the schedule. Sinclair President Steve Johnson and members of his team provided a tour of Sinclair's health sciences programs before concluding the Chancellor's afternoon on campus with a presentation and conversation. The Chancellor's trio of visits concluded with a trip to Kent State University. A discussion with KSU President Todd Dykin was followed by a visit to the Center for Undergraduate Excellence, where the Chancellor met with students in the Success Center and learned about the center's tutoring programs. The final stop of the day was Kent State's new Aeronautics and Engineering building, where Dean Christina Blowbaum led a tour that provided information about the university's aeronautics, air traffic, manufacturing, and mechatronics programs. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at highered.ohio.gov. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.